Australorp chickens are truly remarkable birds, known for their friendly nature and impressive egg-laying abilities. Originating from Australia, these beauties are a cross between the Black Orpington and local breeds. What sets them apart is their glossy black feathers that shimmer with green hues in the sunlight. Not only are they stunning, but they're also incredibly hardy, thriving in various climates. These chickens are prolific layers, producing around 250 to 300 large brown eggs annually. Imagine the fresh eggs you could enjoy. Plus, their calm demeanor makes them perfect for families and backyard flocks. They're social creatures, getting along well with other breeds, and they're surprisingly good foragers.